In this video we're going to have a look at the paragraph tag. On the left I have the boilerplate for the code, and on the right I have the web page. So as you can see, this is blank here. So if I just introduce the paragraph, then the changes that it brings onto the web page are as follows. Now paragraph tags are block level elements. What that means is that if I enclose some text within a paragraph tag, then that will be displayed on its own line and with space between them. As you can see, there's one paragraph here and another paragraph here. So between these two there's a space over there. Here now I can use the align attribute to change the alignment of this paragraph. So for example, I can make it centered, and this will center the first paragraph. I can make the second one right aligned, and that's gonna right align the second paragraph. The default is left align. I can also justify the paragraph. So if I just copy this one and I align left, or I don't have any alignment, I don't specify any alignment, you can see the difference between the two. Justify, and if I were to align left, then it looks almost the same, but it's not the same. Just need to add more text, and then you might be able to see the difference between the two.